video. So today I'm going to make some Motichoor Ladoos. So they're basically normal Ladoos by an orange color, but they come by this name. And it's the new year, and it's basically in our house we have no desserts. It's just we've got many main food. So now we're gonna make some desserts, and yeah, let's get cracking. So friends, we have 1 cup of gram flour, or you can call it basin. Then we've got 1 cup of sugar. We need enough of red food coloring. We need some cashews, enough for you. You don't need all this. And also some ghee. This is homemade ghee, and you don't need this much ghee, so don't get scared. But it's just so it won't go more and won't go less. And this is the gram flour. So yeah, we use different companies, but you get these handy from shops like Sainsbury's. So that's why I've shown you this one. It's pure gram flour. So yeah, let's get started. So first step, friends, is we're gonna crush these cashew nuts into little chunks. So we need a plastic bag like this. And we're gonna put our cashew nuts inside, like this. We're gonna seal it. So, okay, pass me that. We need a rolling pin now, and now my brother's gonna crush them. Hey! So now let's get to the next step. So now we're gonna make the Boondi's batter. So we're gonna put our gram flour. So we've got our gram flour out. Now we're gonna pour some water into it gradually. So a bit now. So that's enough. We might need some more, but in the future. But we can always add more, but we can't like take out water if you put too much. So we're gonna just mix it with our whisk, and then yeah. Now we're gonna add the food color. One notice is that don't put too much food color because it's not healthy for you, and it will just look a bit bizarre. So friends, now we've added the food color. We've taken around 2 to 3 pinches because we didn't take too much because it's not healthy for you. So yeah, let's get started to mix. Come on. Right, see. So basically, even though we added a very minute amount of food color, look at that. It's turned almost red. It's actually orange we're aiming for. That's what Motichoor Ladoos is actually aimed to be looking like. So that's our food color step done. Let's head to the next one. So friends, next step is we're gonna make the Boondi. So we're gonna use this thing. So basically, it's used for frying and things. So it's very useful to make the oil and things to ooze out. So we're using this for Boondi because then when we put the batter on top, it will make little holes, and that's what we're aiming for. And then it will fall into the pan, which is getting heated right now. But if you don't have this at home, I'll show you a little trick. So basically, get this type of disposable disposable container, and get a pin or something like that, some sort of like a toothpick, and then just get the thing out, get the needle out. This is very dangerous. So if your child is small, please do it for them. So what we're going to do is we're going to poke some holes in through it, like that. So then after it's like that, so after you put the batter around, and after you make holes all around the base, it will start to make little holes, and then so yeah, you'll get a perfect Boondi as well. And if you want to make the holes a bit bigger, just stretch it out, and yeah, it will just become bigger. So this is one of our tricks. So, let's get started making the Boondi. make the sugar syrup. So we've taken our 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of water. So now I'm gonna put the boondi into the sugar syrup, because the sugar syrup is now, the sugar's all melted away. So one thing I wanted to say is that if you've got big chunks of batter, you can like just like powder it up. Like you can still crush it with your hands. I had some, but now they're all gone. So I'm just gonna put them up. I've turned off the flames, and we're doing it now because the sugar syrup is all ready, and there's no need, because then the boondi will just get roasted up, so we don't need that. So now I've turned the flame on and put it in sim, the lowest it can ever be. And then we're gonna keep that on like that for around 7 to 8 minutes. Mix it well. Yeah. So friends, it's now cooled up. It's very nice. That very juicy aroma. It's just it just wafts around it. That sugar syrup, that cashew nuts, that ghee. Oh my mouth is full of water right now. So let's get started quick. So so I'm just gonna take 1 little bowl, and then what I'm going to do is take little bowls, and then if you find it a bit too small, you can always add. My mom can make them the best bowls, but I'm an amateur. I have to learn these things. So friends, our Motichoor Ladoos are now ready. We've got plenty of the mixture left. I just made up 4 to show you guys. So I'm gonna take one and you eat the bowl of joy. It was just bursting into my mouth. Wow. Explode. So friends, I hope you like the recipe. Do share this recipe to all your friends, and if you're feeling a bit hungry or a bit craving, you can make it in a flick of a hand. You can get these things, the ingredients from the shop straight away. So yeah, if you like my recipe, please do subscribe to my channel, Karan's World, and like and share to your friends and family. Happy New Year once again. See you in the next video. Bye!